Are you up big enough for the rides, Mother? Yeah. It's a shame you won't go on them though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Morning. So it's day 14. We've been here for 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
A couple of days left. So we're at SeaWorld. We're going to do the ride. There's Kraken's still not open though.
We're on some mop-up duty days, aren't we?
Yeah.
Where we're just mopping up everything that hasn't been done.
So we're going to do that. We've come specifically for the Dolphin Show because we missed the dolphin encounter.
So we're going to get into that about half hour early.
Get a good seat, hopefully.
Get a drink maybe, nice and civilised, sit down early.
So it looks like a bit of a walk home from Manta, so we're going to start with that. Ooh. Go again? Yeah. I think we should go again. Take 2. Are you in this time? I should take that traffic open. We've only done that one once, we don't want to leave Mum for too long, so we're going to go and do Mako next. Whoa! Mum saw us! Yeah, she saw us this time. There we go. Job's a good one. Woo. So that's all the roller coasters done.
Completed it, mate.
SeaWorld completed it, mate. Mum enjoyed people watching and catching some rays, didn't you?
Yeah.
She was almost asleep when we come back, weren't you?
No.
So we're just going to go over and do the Dolphin Show now. Dolphin encounter. And then if we've got time, we'll check out the Beluga Whales and the orcas before we leave.
Stick around because Dolphin Adventures is starting in just a few minutes.
May the weatherman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore and down on her right whaleboat. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman come and bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat hit the water, the whales they came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and caught her. When she
Your hands, you got fish guts on them. Smell them. Ew. Don't worry, I know how to get rid of it. Put your hands out in front of you like this, then rub them together. Yep, faster, faster, and then dry them off.
to the whales and the screech, she took that ship in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. La 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 la.
Did you both enjoy that? Yeah? What was your favourite part?
Splash zone and I got it with me.
Claire wants to see the Beluga Whales now, didn't you?
Yes.
So we're going to go back there and she wants to get a little plush. So So we're going to get her a little plush.
Yes.
And we're going to look at the whales and the walruses. They're like your spirit animals, aren't they?
If they're big and blubbery, then yes.
You want it? Should we get it? Yeah. Okay. Happy now?
Should we go take him to Mr. to see the blue one?
You're redundant now.
I know, yeah. So we've left SeaWorld. We got all the stuff we wanted. We did all the stuff we wanted to do. We got Ollie. She's named her Beluga Whale Ollie because the one in that SeaWorld was called Ollie. So there you go. So we're just heading over to Animal Kingdom because we're going to show Mum Pandora in the evening.
Yeah.
And she wants to ride Flight of Passage again, don't you?
Yeah.